Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So on today's video, you guys, it's going to be a little get ready with me using some of my BoxyCharm products. So maybe you guys receive some of the stuff I received and we can get glam together. So before I start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and also hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified of when I upload more videos like this. So let's jump right into this video. So I already have my brows done, and I have been using this one by Benefit Cosmetics, the brow pomade. So dirty, but it's been good. It's really, really dark. So I use a little bit. I have it in deep brown. I want to try the number 3. So the number 4 is the deep brown. But I have so many stuff from BoxyCharm, so I'm like, I need to do just like a full face if I can. Because sometimes they don't send you like a full face, you know, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But I do have a lot of skincare. So I'm going to use this Velvet Skin drink, and this one is by Chorus. Replenishing and Retextured Skin. Here's how the packaging looks. I hate how you can never see any white packaging. It just freaking sucks. I hate it. So let's see. This one is so bougie. So freaking cute. Look at that, you guys. How pretty is this? Oh my god, if I was a packaging, I want to be this packaging. So my nose is so itchy, you guys. So yeah, it's by the brand Chorus. Let's try it. Do I gotta shake it? I don't know, but it's like a, even the little pump, it's so cute. It's so tiny. It's like a water. We're gonna try it. I don't have nothing on my skin right now. It's an oil, but it's so watery. So how have you guys been? I have been in a roller coaster, you guys. So I started driving. I bought myself a car. I'm like so proud of myself for all that. Like I bought myself a car. Oh my god, this thing, it's amazing. Wow. Oh, wow. Focus on my hands. This thing is good. But I just can't. Right now, just sorry, I'm not gonna be vlogging right now. Right now, I'm just paying attention to the road because I can't. Like, I'm still like panicking, and then I got my period. I'm panicking more. For 2 days already that I have had it, I've been wanting to cry. Like, right when I park, like, I just want to burst into tears. I don't know if you guys feel like that, but it's my hormones are playing me so hard this time. Like, right now, I feel good, but you guys, I've been like just wanting to cry and just dreading, is that you say it? Dreading not wanting to go drop them off. Like, I'm like, does he really have to go to school? I swear. So let me know any tips. Let me know any tips. Maybe it's just my period. Maybe it's just that. But whoa, what is the name of this? Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream Saturday Skin. Packaging is so cute. Again, can you guys see it? Let me turn this down. Oh shit, that's up. Packaging is so freaking cute. That's what my life been, and I noticed, I didn't know this about me when I started feeling like more anxiety. My ears started getting super hot. Oh my goodness, look at how cute. Like a little lemon. How cute. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Is it yellow? No, wait, that's not yellow. What the heck? It's white. It's white. So cute. So we're gonna put a little bit under our eyes. I think that's like enough. But oh my god, I can only drive with tennis shoes on. Hopefully that's just for right now, because what if I just want to put some cute shoes on? And then I saw a girl yesterday, a girl driving a motorcycle with like some thick ass like high heels. I'm like, oh my god, she is the baddest bee. She is so freaking cool. Me and Natalie were just looking at her like, oh my god, like I'm struggling right here in a car. And she is riding a motorcycle with some thick ass shoes. I always get so proud when I see girls driving or older ladies driving. Any type of female, when I see them like drive, I'm like, oh my god, that's just so cool. I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna shake my beard, you guys. Don't mind me. This is so good. Okay, so now we're nice and prep and loving this velvet skin drink. So good. We're gonna do the eyes, and I do have a palette. So I got the Real Her Dream So Big palette, and we're going neutral. So yesterday I did a look like the Alexa Demi makeup look. I love it on her, but I don't like it on me. I hate when I put like black eyeliner like in my waterline, in the bottom, like everything. I just don't like it. Like my eyes are small enough. So I put the Ace Beauty eyeshadow primer. That one, wait, that one did come in my BoxyCharm. I think it was a couple months ago. It is so good. And I do have a discount code, you guys, for BoxyCharm. Damn, I put a lot in there. I'm just going to blend this out with a Sigma brush. You guys, I just can't believe I'm driving. It feels illegal. It feels so illegal. So we're going to be applying, well, I am. Well, maybe if you have this palette, you will. I'm going to be applying this, what's it called? Imagine. I'm going to be applying Imagine with a Sigma brush on my, ooh, girl. This thing is pigmented, yes. Okay, so I'm applying it on my crease. Dang, now I have to like take time to blend it because I packed it on without going like this. I'm going to be grabbing Empower and just applying it on my lid. I'm going to just do this really basic look, you guys, but I still want to look put together. Wow. It's kind of like a brown, but at the same time, like cherry brown. Yeah, like black cherry. So pretty. It has some shimmer into it, if you guys can see. But I'm just going to be patting it on my lid. Is it allergy season? Like my nose is just being a little cracked right now. It's just itching so much. Wow, this palette is really good. So pigmented. And then I'm gonna go back and use a smaller brush and then grab Empower again and just blend the crease. So I'm gonna grab this little paper that was in, I think, my nail packaging. I'm gonna grab Empower again and then just go like this. Swiping motion just on the crease. And look at that. We suddenly have a cat eye. I love this trick right here. If you don't want to put tape, this is like a good one to do. It's just harder on this eye. I think it's harder for me. I'm gonna grab Ambition. I already messed that up. And I am going to just apply it on my inner part of my eye. Ambition is like a cherry color. I'm also going to grab Dream and just apply it a little bit. Oh, I got it on my eyelash. And then go again with a big brush and just blend that out. I'm grabbing a shader brush and applying Empower again and just smoke out my bottom lash line. So I'm going to be applying some foundation, but I'm going to be trying out this Araceli Bella sponges, beauty blenders. Use your Bella sponge to effortlessly apply your foundation and concealer. So I'm going to be using the El Maquillage foundation, you guys. Hopefully I'm already a little dark because this is a little dark. The Woke Up Like This 120 is a little dark for me. It did get a little big and it's nice and smooth and soft. So I'm going to be applying the foundation. I'm doubting it because my nose is so itchy, so that's why I'm applying it with a damp beauty blender, because you guys know that the blender absorbs a lot of the foundation most of the time. I like that it's really sharp in the edges so I can get really close to my eye. Alright, so now to set this, I'm going to be trying out the OPB Beauty setting translucent. Reminds me of the Laura Mercier packaging big time. So I'm using my sponge again and it's still a little damp. I'm just going to add that. But even though it looks translucent, to me it looks like a pearl color. I'm just going to pat it all over. To be honest, I don't know what to think of this powder yet. Maybe at the end of the video, but for right now, I don't know. You guys know what? I received this cool brush. It's called the Multitasker. Color is so beautiful, and there's like one, two, three, four. Yeah, there's like 4 brushes in one. Let me turn my light down so you guys can see. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty with their logo, which is called Alley-oop. But look at, so here's like your face, your contour, your blush, and then your eyeliner brush. And then the other one, you have like 2 pressed powder, and then your eyeshadow brush. This brush is so good, like when you're on a trip. It's so freaking good. So I'm gonna apply just some bronzer. I don't have any bronzer, but I want to see how this brush, I want to see if this works. I'm applying Wet n Wild bronzer in What Shady Beaches, just to see how this works. Oh, and they're so smooth. The bristle's so smooth. Ooh. So we're just bringing some color back to my face. Wow. It's a vegan, latex, cruelty-free, you guys. And it feels freaking amazing. Like if you need a massage, this is just the one to use, the only thing to use. I do have to reapply Empower, so I'm gonna be using the angle side. Wow, you guys know that let me fix this. You guys know that I hate applying eyeshadow right there because of brushes, but this brush is so smooth as well. Oh, hell yes. Oh, hell yes. So for the lips, you guys, I got 2 lip liners, one from Dragon Beauty. Look at the packaging, it's so freaking big. And then I got one from Persona. This one's more like a maroon. It shows you like the color in the back. This packaging is so cute, really simple and aesthetically pleasing. So I'm just gonna open both of them. Ooh, look at that. Kind of like a Kim K vibes, right? And then this is from Dragon Beauty. Wow, this is a lot. Look at that, look at the difference. So this is Persona and this is Dragon Beauty. They're both really beautiful colors. So Persona, I'm gonna line my lips. It is so creamy and pigmented. I'm just going to line the inner corners. Okay, so for the lip product I received is from, Item, the brand called Item. This is how the packaging looks. But this one is called Come Through and it's a Lip Quick lip oil. So let's see. Ooh, Lord Jesus, why did I do that? It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Girl. Oh my god, this is so good. Girl, my lips are popping. So right when I was gonna throw the box of Dragon Beauty, look at that. It comes with a sharpener. That is so cool. So it comes with a sharpener. Alright, you guys, so that is it. This is the final look. I went ahead and did my hair because it was a little flat and I was feeling like, you know, blah. But here you guys have the completed look. I really love the palette, and what I love the most, I really love the eyeshadow palette. Super pigmented, and also that gloss is still there. Like I've been drinking coffee and it's still there. The brush, oh my god, that brush is so soft. Please try it out. I hope you guys have a chance to try it out. But I hope you guys love this look, this little chit chat of how my driving is going. I can't even believe I'm saying that, of how my driving is going. It's so crazy. I feel like I don't even have time to go like this when I'm driving. I feel like I don't. So hopefully soon I get the hang of it, and hopefully I lose my fear really quick because it's just getting to me. And I want to drive and like film, like come with me to the store and shop for makeup and blah blah blah, and all those videos that I love watching. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the little notification bell, so you guys could be notified of my upcoming videos. I always feel like I'm like when I say that to you guys. Yes, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.